Ready? Yep. Oh, there's a school bus over there.
I saw it.
You saw it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think they're having some field trip or I don't know, like a special class. But you don't have class today because you're in spring break. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, we can share together.
Love you.
I love you.
Well, I wanna eat outside, but it's so cold to just eat over here.
Yeah. It's more or hotter over here.
You want more hotter?
No.
What is it? How are you gonna get money?
I will garden.
Oh,
And after I garden, I will project, and then I will and the boy and the girl will give me money. So I have some more money. I need.
Good job.
5 monies.
Yeah.
Because you guys love. I'll give you something. So I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna give you a flower for mommy, and for you is. I'm gonna give you.
Good job, Bubs. You're gonna give us money and you're gonna go
I'll give
garden.
you a telephone because she said that.
Mm.
She said that you can watch fun.
Right?
I'll give you a.
Open, say hello. Go, go.